Installed today. It's probably been almost 3 weeks since that snowstorm, and we've had all our lumber stacked in our truck. Okay, we've drilled our last holes, lined everything out here. We're actually going to put the final pins in place, and then we're going to lift it and set it right here. Beautiful, beautiful. You want to go up and let's get the strap in line? We've got a giant come along tied to the structure upstairs. Okay? All right, so I'm going to let the crane off. I mean, I'm not there. Not just Dr. Pepper.
Well, it's too early for beers, sort of. I'm on another one of them union breaks.
I know.
Doug. How's it looking over there, Dan?
It looks good.
We good?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go, there you go, there you go. Got a little bit more to go. Nope, there you go.
Okay, we're putting up the outside frame right now, trying to set the knee braces and the last tie beam.
There we go.
Oh!
Oh, that was just a dowel. All good.
Okay. Yep. There you go. There it is. Perfect. There you go, buddy. There you go. Perfect fit. Look, perfect fit. Okay, I'm going to get some pins in there. Okay, we're going to set all our joints. Put in our pegs. Okay, we're back.
All right. Here we go.
Shh.
Oh, there it goes. I think it just went.
Are you in?
Yeah.
You're in.
Body weight.
All right, there we go. We're in.
Close enough.
See how. Okay, we got the last corner of the frame together. The knee braces are put in, and Jay right now is actually piloting a hole into these pockets. And since we have a buried seam here, we're going to drive some 10-inch timber screws in through here, hold this spouts together, as opposed to just sticking them in the top. So I'm going to drive the pin here for this, and then we're going to get it ready to swing. Okay, we're swinging the last piece right now.
There we go. We're good.
I'm going to ease back down.
There it is.
Okay, I mean, I can hook this back up. Just don't know if I can reach the other hook. We just need to squeeze the two together. I just want to see how bad if this needs to go a lot like that. Damn close there. We could rack to you a little bit. We definitely can. Okay, we got the whole frame package assembled. I know we missed you for a little bit. We had a little camera issue and we had to keep moving, Jay's just cleaning up the edges over here. Poster in. Tomorrow what we're gonna do is do all the dovetails for the joist, set everything, and we should be done. Hopefully. You're with us. You see all our joints, how tight everything looks. You see, when you do this on the table and everything's cut square and you put it up, it just goes up square. It goes up level. All your numbers just need to be the same. He's just gauging the rest of our pegs. Just giving you there.